Hi, it's Thomas Cook from Toronto's real estate team at RE/MAX, and here is our June 2015 Toronto Real Estate Market Report. Several sales records were broken again in June. The question everyone is asking themselves is, will this market strength carry on into the summer months? I'll comment more on that in this broadcast as we go through the market report. So let's review some of the Toronto Real Estate Board statistics and see what this is all about. Sales were up 18.3% for June compared to last year, with 11,992 houses and condominiums changing hands in all the districts. This was the third record-breaking month in a row, with the most sales recorded by the Toronto Real Estate Board for any month ever. Sales are actually up 39% above the last 15-year average. Condominium, townhouse, and high-rise suites continued to take their 30% share of the market, with 3,624 units being sold. This was the second month in a row where we had the highest number of resale condos ever sold in a month. The June average sale price for all GTA homes came in at $639,184, up 12.3% from 2014 and down slightly from May. The active listing inventory is one of the strongest indicators of how smooth or outrageous the market's going to be. We had a 19% decline in inventory for the month of June compared to historical numbers, and lower by 13% from last year at this time. The sales to listings, or percent chance of selling ratio, is how we determine what type of market we're actually in. 24 to 28% is a neutral market, below 24 is a buyer's market, and above 28 is a seller's market. In June, that ratio finished at 66.7%, up 17% from last year's result, and again the highest ever seen in the GTA. By the numbers, the overall market is an extremely busy seller market territory. The days on market average for Toronto homes was 20. So let's look at what's happening in the downtown Toronto condominium market. West of Yonge and south of Bloor in the CO1 Treb district, the average sale price for June was just over $451,300. That average moved up 2.4% from the same time last year. With 474 condo sales in the month, the numbers were up 33% compared to 2014. There were 1,570 active listings on the market in June, just slightly more than last year. The ratio of sales to listings increased this month to 30.2%, which puts CO1 back into very moderate seller market territory. And the average days on market came in at 29, which was the same as in May. Now, east of Yonge and south of Bloor in the CO8 Treb district, the average sale price for June was just over $444,700. That number represented a modest 1.2% increase from 2014. And with 185 condo sales in the month, the numbers were 5.7% higher than last year. There were 407 active listings on the market in June, up 16% from 2014. The ratio of sales to listings increased to 45.5% in June. That number puts CO8 into busy seller market territory. The average days on market came in at 26, one day slower than last month. Overall, GTA condo sales were the highest ever in June, but still maintained their typical 30% share of the market. So this month we're looking at a few interesting Toronto real estate statistics that you can view on the screen. Appreciation rates on single-family homes have so far outstripped those for condominiums, but there will come a tipping point where affordability and condo neighborhood livability kick in, and condo prices start to rise at a higher percentage. There is currently a bit of a slowdown in new condo construction, which will allow demand to catch up with supply and lift the per square foot selling price of condominium suites. So what's a terrific way to make your first baby step into Toronto's real estate market and find out where those more affordable choices are? The best first step is to go on a market experience tour of condo or house neighborhoods with one of our team members. Leave your checkbook at home. What a tour is not intended to do is show you homes with the intention that you'd immediately buy one. What it is intended to do is to give you an opportunity to get a clearer idea of what's available on the market in your favorite parts of the city and in your price range without worrying about being pressured into having to make an immediate buying decision. Once you've had your tour, we want you to go back home and think about what you saw. You'll then be better able to set up a good home buying plan and make smart, educated decisions about where and when you want to be in your new home. You can sign up for your condo tour at dailydowntowncondotours.com and a tour of houses at dailytorontohometours.com. Remember to check back here in early August for our July Toronto Real Estate Market Report.